Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not loading on your mobile device. Let's get started. If you open the Roblox app on your Android or iPhone and it doesn't load, or if you try to play a game and it won't start, the first thing you should do is check if Roblox is down. Open your browser and type, "Is Roblox down?" Then visit Down Detector. If you see a big spike in reports, that means Roblox is having server issues, so it's not your phone. You just have to wait until they fix it. But if Roblox looks fine, let's move on to your device. On Android, long press the Roblox app and tap App Info. Then tap Storage and Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets Roblox and updates it to the latest version automatically. If you're on iPhone, go to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage, find the Roblox app, and choose Offload app. Then reinstall it. This clears all cached files and installs the newest version fresh. Once you've done that, open Roblox again. It should now load and work properly. If it still doesn't, simply restart your phone. Rebooting often fixes any leftover temporary issues. And that's it. Roblox should be running smoothly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.